Oh, hey boys and girls. I didn't even see you there. I'm just measuring like I do, because measuring's cool. It really is. So I understand that Mr. Feldman, who's over there, or is he over there? So I understand that Mr. Feldman taught you all about how to use a ruler, and what a centimeter is, and how to count in centimeters, and measure. So right now we have to do a worksheet, and we're going to do it all together. And I'm going to show you exactly what we have to do, step by step, and I'm not going to leave anybody behind. So let's go do that. Okay, boys and girls, so right now we're about ready to start our worksheet, right? Okay, so you're going to need 3 things. You're going to need a pencil, you're going to need a ruler, which you should all have, and yours might look a little different than mine, but that's okay. As long as they have centimeters on them, then that's exactly what we want. And lastly, you're going to need this page. It says measuring in centimeters, and you should all have a page that looks like this out. Okay, I'm going to give you a second to adjust and to get ready to start our lesson. Okay, boys and girls, so you should have this sheet right out in front of you now, and yours will look exactly like this, right? So, of course, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to write our names at the top. So let's all do that together now. I'm going to do it too. Okay, I'll give you, how about 5 seconds to do that. Now, what we want to do is to use a ruler to measure in centimeters. We want to line up the very edge of our centimeter right there, and yours might have a 0 at the end. Mine doesn't, but that's okay. So you should have a line that comes before the 1 that says 0. Or yours might look like mine too. And there's just a line there. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure the front of the first bar to the edge of the end of it. But first we want to estimate. So I'm going to estimate how long I think this bar is. Let's see. What do you guys think? Okay, well I'm going to go with 10 centimeters. So I'm going to write in 10 centimeters. Just like that. And yours will look like that too. You can estimate whatever you want, but that's my estimate. Then you're going to actually measure the bar. So I want everyone to take the rulers and find the beginning of the ruler, and they're going to line it up with the beginning of whatever they want to measure. In this case, it's this black bar right here. So everybody's going to take the ruler, just like this. They're going to put it right at the beginning of the black bar. Just like that. And we can see that the edge of the black bar meets up right with the 12 centimeter mark. So these are all centimeters. And this one, this bar, meets right at the 12 centimeter mark. So we can all see that. It goes right there. So we know that this bar is actually 12 centimeters. So my estimate was 2 centimeters off. So I'm going to write in 12 centimeters, and you should all write 12 centimeters as well. Just like that. So now we've done the first bar together. Now by yourselves, quietly, you're going to work on all of the other questions. You're going to work on all of these, and you're going to first start with the estimate, and then you're going to measure. And then you're going to work on the next one, and then you're going to estimate, and you're going to measure. And by the time you're done, you should have estimates all down the side here, and measurements all down the side here. And I'll be walking around, and you can ask me for help. So you can just raise your hand and I'll come over, Or you can ask quietly, you can ask a friend at your table who might be done, and they can help you too. Okay, this is good practice, so you guys are going to be pros at this by the time we're done. Alright? Okay, get started.